To unfold the Zippy Voyage, begin by disengaging the storage lock on the left side next to the push handle. Pull up on the push handle until you hear an audible click. To install the seat shell, squeeze the tilt lever on the left side to ensure the seating interface is level, and lock the rear wheels with the foot wheel lock. Lock the front caster wheels in place. When the seat attaches to the base, the release lever will lock around this bar on the seating interface. Pick up the seat shell and place it over the slide and lock interface plate. Slide the seating system back until you hear an audible click. Check to ensure the seat is secure by pulling up on both sides and moving forward and backward. Lift up on the footrest. Slide the red locking lever under the seat to lock the seating system into place. To tilt the Voyage seat, squeeze the tilt lever while simultaneously holding the seat. Angle the seat backward or forward while squeezing the lever to reposition. To recline, squeeze the lever behind the seat and move the backrest to the desired position. Before reversing direction, please remove the child from the seat. To reverse the seat direction, begin by removing the seat shell. Press the number 1 rotation button on the slide and lock plate and rotate the plate counterclockwise until it stops. Pull the pin on the crossbar sleeve and rotate this sleeve forward. Then continue rotating the slide and lock plate until it clicks into place. Now the seat shell can be mounted to the base in reverse configuration. Place the seat shell on the slide and lock plate. Let go and then push the seat backwards with one hand until you hear an audible click. Check to ensure the seat is secure by pulling up on both sides and moving forward and backward. Lift up the footrest and slide the red locking lever under the seat to lock the seating system into place. Before folding the Zippy Voyage, please remove the child from the seat. To fold, begin by engaging the wheel lock and locking the front casters. While holding the backrest, squeeze the tilt lever to place the seat in its upright position. Lift up on the footrest. Reach under the seat to release the seat lock and then pull the seating system release lever. Slide the seating system forward to release. For the most compact folded configuration, press the push handle release buttons and make sure the push handle is in line with the frame. Engage the 2 folding triggers located on either side of the frame. Press down and pull back slightly to keep the frame vertical. Grab the Zippy logo on the crossbar tube and continue folding until the stroller handle locks in place. If a storage space is tight, both rear wheels can be removed by pressing the release button next to the axle insert position. The Zippy Voyage is now ready for storage or transportation.